Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to RGA Education. Now today we are going to learn subtracting 4 digit numbers with regrouping. अब तक हमने subtraction of 4 digit numbers without regrouping पढ़ा है, लेकिन आज हम सीखेंगे कि regrouping कैसे करनी है. So let's get started. Let's understand it through the example. Now see here, subtract 1256 from 2574. Now let's see how we can do this. First we are arranging numbers in the correct places. That means जो बड़ा नंबर है उसे हमें ऊपर लिखना है और जो छोटा नंबर है that means the smaller number हमें नीचे लिखना है. ओके, तभी हम subtraction कर सकते हैं. We see that 4 ones is less than the 6 ones. So we regroup 7 tens and 4 ones as 6 tens and 14 ones. Now subtract 6 ones from the 14 ones. 14 minus 6 equal to 8. So we are writing 8 there. Now see the second step. In second step we are subtracting tens. Now see here, 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Now subtract 100. 500 minus 200 equal to 300. And at last we are subtracting thousands. So 2000 minus 1000 equal to 1000. So we write 1 in the thousands place. So our answer will be 1318. Now see this example. We need to subtract 2394 from 6503. Now see, first we are doing the regrouping. Now 3 minus 4 is not possible, so that this 3 will ask for the borrow to the 0. Now 0 is not having anything. 0 तो खुद भिखारी है, तो 0 पूछेगा 5 से. ओके, सो हाउ वी आर डूइंग द regrouping? See here, 3 will ask to the 0, 0 will ask to the 5. Now see, 5 is giving 1 to the tens place, so 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. Now 0, that is 10, will give 1 to the ones place, that is to the 3, so 10 will become 9 and 3 will become 13. Now regrouping is done. Now we can do the subtraction. 13 minus 4 equal to 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 4 minus 3 equal to 1 and 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So 6503 minus 2394 equal to 4109. So I hope it's clear to you. Now let's see some more examples so you will understand it better. Now see, these problems are very much important. Students are many times confused in such problems. Now let's see the example. We need to subtract 2375 from 4000. Now see, what is 4000? 4000 is nothing but the 3000 and 10 hundreds. And what is mean by 10 hundreds? हम पहले 10 लिखते हैं, बाद में 100 means 20 लगा दिए, तो 1000. Okay, 1000 plus 3000 equal to 4000. Now see, what is 1000? 1000 is nothing but the 910 tens. 10 tens, हमने 10 लिख दिया और उसके बाद में 10 का 0 लगा दिया. That means 100. 100 plus 900 equal to 10 hundreds. Okay. Now this is important for regrouping. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए regrouping के लिए. Okay. Now see, what is 10 tens? 10 tens means 9 tens and 10 ones. और 10 ones means 1 tens. 10 ones. 10 ones हम बोलते हैं ना 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens. Okay, like this only. Now let's subtract ones, then tens, and then hundreds, and finally thousands. Now see here, 0 minus 7 is not possible. So 0 will ask to the borrow. Now उसके बाजू में जो है वो भी 0 है, तो वो 0 पूछेगा हंड्रेड्स प्लेस से, वो भी 0 है तो वो पूछेगा थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे, तो थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे है 4. सो देखो ऐसे 0 जाएंगे पूछते पूछते कि भाई तू मुझे 1 देगा, भाई तू मुझे 1 देगा. सो वो ऐसे पूछते हुए पहुंच गए 4 के पास ना. 4 का दिल बहुत बड़ा है तो 4 देगा उसको, तो 4 विल गिव 1 टू द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, तो उसका 10 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो अगर 10 हो गया उसका तो 10 में से वो देगा 1 टेंस प्लेस को, टेंस प्लेस वाले 0 को, तो हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वाला 10 बन जाएगा 9 और टेंस प्लेस वाला 0 बन जाएगा 10. ओके, अभी ये 0 बन गया 10। नाउ सी, अभी ये 0 को देना है 1 प्लेस वाले को, क्योंकि उसी के लिए तो उसने मांगा था। सो दिस 10 विल बिकम 9 एंड द 0 एट 1 प्लेस इट विल बिकम 10। नाउ रीग्रुपिंग इज डन। ऐसे करी हमने रीग्रुपिंग। अभी हम सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं। 10 minus 7 equal to 3, 9 minus 5 equal to 4, 9 minus 3 equal to 6 and 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Our answer is 1643. Now let's see this example. We will do fast. Okay, before me you need to do, just try yourself only. Now 5 minus 8 is not possible, so 5 will ask to the borrow to the 4. Now 4 which is standing at 10's place, it will become 3 and it will give its 10 ones to the 5. Now 5 will become 15 and now 3 minus 4 हमें आगे भी चेक करना है कि पॉसिबल है कि नहीं। पहले हम पूरी रीग्रुपिंग करेंगे, बाद में सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे। नाउ सी 3 minus 4 is not possible, so that 4 will ask to the borrow to the 100's place. Now 100's place पे जो 4 है वो बन जाएगा 3 और 10's place पे जो है वो 1 इससे लेगा तो वो बन जाएगा 13। सो 3 का 13 बन गया। नाउ सी आवर रीग्रुपिंग इज डन। अभी सब सब्ट्रैक्शन पॉसिबल है। नाउ 15 minus 8 इक्वल टू व्हाट? 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Okay, and 13 minus 4 is equal to 9 and 3 minus 3 equal to 0 and 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Our answer is 2097. Now let's see the second one. In second, 5 minus 6 is not possible. So that 5 will ask to the borrow to the 6. 6 will become 5 and 5 which is standing at 1's place, it will become 15. Now check the other places. The subtraction is possible or not. We had checked it is possible. Now let's do the subtraction. 15 minus 6 equal to 9 at 10's place. 5 minus 4 equal to 1 at hundreds. 9 minus 4 equal to 5 and at thousands place 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So our answer will be 2519. Now see here, I had done regrouping for you. You need to solve this example and example D you will do the regrouping by your own and you will solve it. और आपको ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करो, तो आपको फ्यूचर में ऐसे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आएगी। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।